Welcome back, fellow travelers, to the Dubai Travel Guide. Today, we have an enchanting topic to explore: the Museum of the Future Dubai. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual tour of this remarkable institution, offering a glimpse into its captivating exhibits, futuristic innovations, and the essential details you need to plan your visit. As you approach the Museum of the Future, you'll be greeted by its iconic architecture that seamlessly blends cutting-edge design with Dubai's visionary spirit. The shimmering metallic facade is a testament to the technological wonders that await inside. This architectural marvel is not just a museum, it's a testament to Dubai's commitment to innovation, technology, and sustainable design. Step into a world where innovation knows no bounds. The Museum of the Future boasts a diverse array of exhibits that highlight the forefront of technology, from AI and robotics to sustainability and beyond. Immerse yourself in interactive displays, mind-bending installations, and thought-provoking presentations that illuminate the possibilities of tomorrow. Among the captivating exhibits within the Museum of the Future, the DNA library stands as a testament to the remarkable strides in genetics and personalized medicine. Here, visitors can delve into the intricacies of human DNA, exploring the potential for customized treatments and health advancements. Beyond its technological wonders, the Museum of the Future is a masterpiece of design itself. The intricate facade is adorned with illuminated Arabic calligraphy, celebrating the region's rich culture and heritage. Don't forget to head up to the top floor for panoramic views of Dubai's skyline. The cityscape is a testament to Dubai's rapid growth and ambitious vision for the future. Conveniently situated along Sheikh Zayed Road, the Museum of the Future is located in the heart of Dubai, ensuring easy accessibility for both residents and tourists. Its central location makes it a must-visit destination for those eager to explore the cutting edge of human achievement. The Museum of the Future is open from Saturday to Thursday, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m., and on Fridays, it opens from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m., allowing ample time for exploration and discovery. It's recommended to check the official website for any updates on timings, especially during special events or holidays. Securing your entry to the Museum of the Future is a straightforward process. Tickets can be conveniently purchased online through the official website or on-site at the museum's ticket counter. Different ticket categories are available, catering to individual visitors, families, and groups. In conclusion, the Museum of the Future in Dubai promises a journey of inspiration and wonderment. With its extraordinary exhibits, forward-thinking ethos, and commitment to shaping the destiny of innovation, it stands as a testament to Dubai's dedication to pushing boundaries and creating a brighter future. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour. We encourage you to experience the Museum of the Future firsthand and witness the marvels that await within its walls. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting travel guides right here on the Dubai Travel Guide channel. Until next time, keep exploring and keep dreaming.